What's up, Tartlets? It's Jen, and today is very exciting because I've got something new to share with you. You may have seen it teased on Instagram, but it is our brand new High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. Yes, that is water in the cover. You can move it and it's like swimming. It's awesome. It's so much fun, and look how awesome it looks inside. Look at these colors. So today I'm going to show you how to create this eye look with only 2 Tarte products. I'm going to come in so you guys can see it really fast. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. Yeah. It may look like it takes a lot to put this look together, but it actually doesn't. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you guys right now. Let's do it. This palette includes 4 high-impact glitter gel toppers and 8 buttery matte and luster eyeshadows. Look how fun these are. I love what we've been doing lately. We've just been stepping out of the box and having a lot of fun with shadows, so I'm really excited to get this look going. We're going to start off by taking the shade Beach Therapy, and we're going to blend that out really nice and high up towards the brow. Next, we're gonna take that matte coral shade South Beach, and we're gonna blend that right below that shade Beach Therapy in our crease. So we wanna see a nice kind of almost transition, like ombre effect. Now we're gonna repeat that same pattern right along our lower lash line, starting with Beach Therapy. And now we're going right back to that shade South Beach. Now we're taking the shade Aloha Beaches, and we're applying that all over our lid, and we're gonna blend it softly up towards the crease right below that shade South Beach. Now we're gonna highlight the inner corners of our eyes with the shade Berry Gold. This is gonna help give our eyes a more open, brightened appearance. Now we're gonna take that really pretty glitter shade Champagne Beach, and we're gonna pack that right in the center of our lid. After you pack that shade right to the center of the lid, you're gonna take whatever excess glitter is on the brush and just softly blend it out to the outer corners of your eye and up into the crease. All right, now we're gonna apply a couple coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, because this is going to lengthen, curl, condition, and volumize your lashes. And I love this because not only does it do all that, but it also separates, and it really finds lashes you didn't even know you had. All right, I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? All right, Tartlets, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy eye look. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any other specific shades from this palette you want to see me do a look with, and I will do it for you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this, and until next time, mwah! Take care, Tartlets.